got the boss on site, so we're on best behaviour today. Come to crack the whip. So let's have a look around the site and we'll show you what we're up to today. We are doing the block and beams, and look, the ground is just starting to dry out, which is alright, but it's forecast rain on Sunday, so it will most likely go wet again. We're just putting the beams on the garage floor, and then we're just putting the beams on the house. We're just blocking as we go so we can walk on it. It's quite a quick system. We started this morning. We should have this all done today, and then there'll be the edges to cement on. And we were doing all the drains yesterday, which was alright, but everything was wet and everything was slippery, and as you're trying to put all the fittings together, it was just hard work. So we're doing all that, and then the drains go there into the neighbour's property, so we haven't got to pay for that connection, and we've just got to finish off these drains around here for the bathroom and the ensuite, and then we'll get this fence put back up once we've got the digger back in here as well. But yeah, it's not been too bad this week. We've made good progress. This is coming up to the end of 2 weeks now, or 2 weeks tomorrow it'll be, since we started. So we'll have all the flooring, we'll have all these drains backfilled, all these blocks will be gone. We've got loads of bricks coming, they're on the way. And yeah, we'll get all this cleared up. We've got a 40 tonne of stone coming on Tuesday, and we'll get all this